In this video, we will learn about variables in JavaScript. Variable is a name storage location with an associated value. You access the value associated with the storage location by using the name. Variable are declared using the var keyword. For example, this is our first variable first var, and give it a value of 5, and then we can declare another variable second var, and you can assign any value. I'm gonna assign 20. So this is our the example of declaring a variable and assigning value to them. There are also variable naming requirements in JavaScript. The initial characters must be a letter, an underscore, or a dollar sign. No spaces are allowed. Variables are case sensitive. So this variable var my car is, and then we have another variable var my car these both variables are different. JavaScript is a case sensitive, so this lowercase my underscore car is a different name, and this my underscore car in uppercase is a different name. You can also use reserved words. For example, JavaScript uses the word var, this one, var, to introduce variables. So you cannot use var as a variable name.